In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date fields to a document in DocuSign. To start, open your web browser and go to your DocuSign dashboard. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all the tools you need. The dashboard is your main control center, where you can create new envelopes, track documents you've sent, and manage templates. From the dashboard, look for the option that says Get Signatures. This is the quickest way to start a new document that you want someone else to sign. Click on Get Signatures and DocuSign will take you into the workflow for preparing a new envelope. Next, you'll see an option to upload a document. Click on the Upload button. This opens a file picker window on your computer. Here, simply navigate to the folder where your document is saved, select the file you want to use, and confirm your choice. After a moment, DocuSign will upload the file and show you a preview so you can make sure you've chosen the correct document. Now you need to tell DocuSign who should receive this document. In the recipient area, type in the name of the person who needs to sign. Using a clear name can help you keep track of multiple recipients later on, especially on complex agreements. Right next to the name, you'll also need to type in the recipient's email address. Take a second to double check the email for typos. If the email is incorrect, the person will never receive the document, so it's worth quickly confirming it. Once your recipient details are in place, look for the button that says Next, Add Fields, and click on it. This moves you into the document editing screen, where you can place all the fields your signer needs to complete. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different field types. Find the one called Date Signed. Click on this field, then drag and drop it onto the spot in your document where you want the signing date to appear. You can drag multiple date fields if you need them in more than one place, and you can adjust their position until they line up neatly with your text. When everything looks correct and your date fields are in place, go to the top or bottom of the screen and click on Send. DocuSign will email the document to your recipient, and when they sign it, the date fields will automatically populate with the date they completed their signature.